Yayaku.
What is it?
Grandma is saying Abi.
I can't see you. What do you want to do?
Egg for Yakub now.
You want to prepare egg for Yakub? Oh yeah. Egg shell.
This you come from pound, Daddy.
Yes.
Aisa. From pound, 10 feet there.
I cannot do.
Qui l'a fini?
Make her use this, it's fine.
This one.
No.
Okay, oil. From here?
Egg with this.
Okay.
Jogbe.
Do you know what is Do you know what is jogbe?
No, this one.
Let it dry.
You go put this one. Alabasa, you go put.
Yakub does not like, but you can put small.
No.
Not here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Not too much. He doesn't like too much oil. Sorry,
Really?
ma. Sorry, ma.
Really?
Sorry.
He's shocked.
No.
Oh yeah.
Am I the oil is small, Abi?
Yeah.
Two, Mama put 3. Go chop. Same, okay?
Yeah, mix it.
But put salt.
Where is sauce?
Salt.
You mix it now.
Yeah.
Not be collaboration.
But is it the Mama? Is it Maggi or is it salt?
Salt.
For it. What is this, oil?
What you gonna do, you know?
Yeah, lower it now.
What you gonna do?
The oil is too.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Or not? I don't know. I don't have experience on cooking this kind of process.
Yeah.
I didn't do
Oh, Jolawa.
onion for him. What happened?
Take this one.
Thank you.
Don't you feel your seat?
Have you put salt?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you use?
I not put onion.
You only put salt?
No, I put salt because he doesn't like with onion, and when he's sick, I just want him to get, to eat it.
Come back now.
Stay it.
Mama, we have different styles, okay? That's your style. Me, I know what my Pikin like.
Yeah, Momeji.
Okay.
Yayaku.
What is it?
Yeah, well, you.
No.
You see? Grandma is saying Abi.
Oh, for no see that, Danny.
Oh, no, you jet.
We need jet.
Because this one's the oil. Yeah, it's okay.
For no see that.
He got chopped. But the pot is burning.
Let's go come.
Because the oil is not enough and this is not like Teflon.
This is aluminum pot, not Teflon.
So it needs oil, otherwise it will.
Because you didn't put. You should put a little bit of oil.
But Yakub doesn't want.
Where's the oil?
This. Exactly, he's with like that for him.
Yeah, Yakuba, maybe you will tell him that you are the one that fried. Oh yeah.
But why is so white?
You don't put any chili. You don't put any.
No, but I mean the.
You see my
No, nothing. It's just only salt you put.